Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video of AppleTopics, and in today's video I'm just gonna be narrating because there was too much background noise in the actual video. But the point is, we're gonna be replacing the SSD on today's iMac from the original one because it's failing. Let's get started. Basically, I'm just shutting down the iMac, and then I'm gonna show you the stuff I got to open this iMac up. So it's the adhesive for my Fix-It kit. It comes with the little pizza looking thing to cut off the adhesive around the screen. The replacement adhesive, sorry for my dogs, just ignore them. So you can see there from myfixit.com, they have very good quality parts, so yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so you can see I'm gonna be using the iFixit guide from the guide from iFixit. My phone just fell. So the point is, it says to start off with the left of the screen. This was not hard at all. This took about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see there I'm trying to open the bag, but yeah, by the way, comment down below if you like me narrating the video. I have no idea. I'm recording as I told you before because my voice was too low and the background noise was too much, just unbearable. Yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, so you can see there I'm looking at the iFixit guide so I don't break the cable. So there I finished the breaking out the adhesive. You can see there I can lift up the screen of the iMac, and I just tried to disconnect it, which was quite hard, honestly, because it was my first time. So basically I found it easier to knee down on the floor because my table was quite low. So I just kneed down and put the iMac like that, lift up the screen without tweezers or anything, just with my fingers, pulled out the connectors, and that was not too hard at all. So yeah. And there you can see how I finished disconnecting the screen. And then actually this was not hard at all. You just lift up the screen. There you can see I will put the screen back there, twist the iMac around so it's facing my way, and then I just flip up the screen and finish taking out the little tape on the bottom of the screen with a little metal spudger. After that, the screen basically comes off, and it's not that difficult. This part is actually super stressful, so don't do it fast. This isn't time lapse, obviously. Um, take your time, please, and take your time. You can pause the video whenever you want. Okay, so basically there I just go ahead and take out the 4 screws from the hard drive, brackets, and then I disconnect the hard drive, which was not that hard at all. It was very hard was to connect the new SSD. Basically, you take out the black pieces of around the old hard drive, put it around the new SSD, and the hard part was to reconnect the SATA connector to the new SSD. What I ended up doing is disconnecting the speaker and moving it a little bit to the left so that I had more room to connect the SSD. Okay, so there you can see me unscrewing the speaker. Basically now I just put the SSD back in, and I'm not really gonna show this part. I should, but the video was 40 minutes. Right now I'm editing it, and I'm trying to make it about 12 minutes. So yeah, you can see me there putting the SSD back in. That's about what you need. The fan, and I think why the iMac was getting hot usually because of that. It's pure dust. Oh no. Okay, basically the reason why my Mac was getting hot is because the fan was very, very dirty, and so I dusted off. I didn't get that in video. Right now right there I'm in the balcony because obviously I'm not dusting it off outside. The weird thing is the iMac's fan is dirtier than my MacBook's fan, even though it's dirtier. even though it's newer. My MacBook, I did clean it very often, so that could be a factor. I also could not take the fan apart, so I didn't leave it perfect, as you can see there. I cleaned it as well as I could. Um, in the video, you can see there, I'm just gonna try to clean the sides, the adhesive that's left. This is not hard to do. You just kind of get a little bit of grip on it and then you just pull. It's like the battery from the iPhone's adhesive. It's even easier to take that out. Basically, the hard part is taking out the adhesive that is left by the black piece. So what I used is I used the same metal spudger you see there with some alcohol, and that basically did the job done in about that basically got the job done in about 30 minutes or so. Okay, so basically you'll be able to see how I got the screws all mixed up because they rolled over. And so you can see me kind of struggle putting the right screws where they're supposed to go. But basically there you have the little tape. So basically I am just trying to put the fan in right now. And then I try to put the speaker in because I did take it off kind of so I could have more room to connect the SSD. Um, yeah, basically after that I just put the brackets of the SSD. As you can see, I'm just trying to put random screws in until they go in, which you should not do. By the way, that's why many people recommend getting a magnetic mat. I personally really want one for my Fix-It. I want one for my Fix-It because you can like write down the names of the parts and then they won't be rolling out. And you can see there I'm trying to put the speaker in. Yeah, that's basically it. Okay, so basically I finished putting it back together, and now what I want to do is I go ahead and clean out. I put a towel first of all so I don't scratch the screen, as you can see. And then I use a little like painting pen, a brush, to clean out the dust from the fan and stuff so that I can put the screen in. So I did not take out the glue from the screen yet because I wanted to be able to just put the screen in just to test it and not leave it in. Because if you put the screen in and all, like seal the Mac and then it won't turn on, that's not good. So you can see me there connecting the iMac. Gosh, you can see my hair. There you can see me trying to connect it and stuff, flipping it around. So that was kind of challenging. What I figured out is I could knee down because that's a low table. So I kneed down, and then thank you to my brother that helped me record, by the way. Some parts of this video, my brother helped me record, but where I needed my two hands, for example, right now. So after connecting the two ribbon cables of the screen, this actually wasn't a very good idea. I mean, not this. What I mean is something went wrong because I went ahead and turned it on. I don't think I recorded it, but as you can see there, I'm going to turn it on. I hear the bang, and for some reason, I could not see anything on the screen. So I'll talk to you about that later on. Okay, so basically the Mac didn't turn on and stuff, so I had to go ahead and disconnect it, and then I went ahead and opened the iMac back up again, and just to check every single connector. At that point, you can see it's dark already because I was so stressed out and sad because I thought I had broken the iMac that I just had to disconnect. So I literally went to the park for like 30 minutes to an hour. So after that, I came back to the house with my mind cleared and all. Still a little stressed out because I didn't want to break the iMac, which I thought I had done. But basically, there I just disconnect the screen and then clean everything once again, and then the screen went black. Yeah, basically there I'm just disconnecting the screen. After all that, I just turn on the flash and double check every connector. I actually took off one bracket. There's the screen, one bracket of the SSD just in case, and dusted off the screen connectors with the brush. There I'm trying to reconnect the screen, the SSD. So yeah, basically after all that, it finally turned on. You'll see. Okay, so here I'm just taking off the glue, the adhesive from the screen, and after that I put the screen on without any adhesive and just try to see if it finally turns on after all the stress I went through because it didn't want to turn on. Okay, basically, so in the next screen you'll see that I finally got the iMac to turn on. I'm just setting it up because I had to install macOS on it, which took about 50 minutes. So basically that's about it. It turned on, everything worked, and yeah. So that's about it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please comment down below if you liked the narrating or not. I don't know personally, but yeah. I'm very sorry for the very long video. I'm gonna try to make it shorter while I'm editing. But yeah, basically that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe if you made it this far, and also click the bell icon if you would like to see more of this type of videos. Don't forget to comment down below any video ideas for the future, and Merry Christmas. And depending on when you're watching this video or when I release it, Merry Christmas plus Happy New Year 2021. 2021, let's be better than 2020. Bye bye, peace out.